Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss problem number 176 of SQL, that is second highest salary. Now we have given a table, that is employee table, and in this table there is two columns, ID and salary, and their type is also given. ID is the primary key for this table. This means that ID cannot have any null value as well as it cannot have any duplicate value. Each row of this table contains information about the salary of an employee. So here, like this table is given input table, employee table. So each row, that is this row and this row, these are indicating the salary of the ID. So this first row is indicating that for ID1 the salary is 100. Okay. Now what we need to do is write an SQL query to report the second highest salary from the employee table. If there is no second highest salary, the query should report null. Okay. So what we need to do, we need to report the second highest salary from this table. First highest salary is 300, then 200, then 100. So second highest salary is 200. So we need to report this 200, and also we need to give alias of salary as second highest salary. I have made this table in my SQL Microsoft SQL Server so that you can better understand this. Okay, so this is, I'm really sorry. Okay, I got it. So just execute this and we have this table ID and salary. Now we need to how we can solve this problem. So I need to select salary comma dense rank. Why I am using dense rank? Because when I order this salary by suppose descending, so 300 will first, 200 will second, and then 100 will be third. So if we use a dense rank, so it will give 1, 2 and 3, and for duplicate it also gives this same value. So if in our table suppose we have duplicate value, so it will give duplicate the same value and we can easily get a result. So dense rank over, and I need to order this order by salary DESC. Okay, and let me give as aliases as dense rank, so D and RK, dense rank. Okay, so select salary comma dense rank over this as this, from which table I need to get this result is from employee. Okay, now let me run this query and show you what is the result. Okay, so for 300 the dense rank is 1, 200 the dense rank is 2, and for 100 the dense rank is 3. Now I want this 200, so I can filter this out where dense rank is 2 easily. So what I can say is, let me make this a subquery and aliases A, and what I will do, I will say select salary as second highest salary from this inner query, and where I need to filter it out. So where dense rank D N R K, where dense rank is equal to 2. Okay, let me run this query and show you the, easily we can get our result very easily. And suppose if there is a one more column and there means salary is repeating, so let me show you this also. Suppose here we have 4 and salary is repeating like okay, so 300, 300. Now if that's why I'm using dense rank, because if this, let me show you this table first. Okay, Okay, and now select and now here these two are 300 300, so these are first highest salary and this is second highest salary. That's why I am using dense rank. So if I run this table again, we got our result. See, second highest salary. That's why I am using dense rank. But so let us copy this and go to our lead code and see that it is running or not. Select salary as second highest salary from select salary comma dense rank over this as this. Here the table name is little like employee. Okay, so yeah, where dense rank is 2. Okay, let me run this code. It gets accepted, but I need to submit it also. When I submit this, they are saying it is a wrong answer. Let me see why. So input is employee ID, salary rows 100. Okay, okay, okay. So what they are saying, let me show you here. They have already tell us like if there is no second highest salary, we need to show it as a null, not as empty. So here if they here if there is no second highest salary, our query is returning empty, but we need to return null. So how it can be done, let me show you this. So um, let me delete this. Okay, and let me copy this and control V and delete from employee where ID is 1 and ID is 2. Okay, so okay, now if I do select star from employee, we have this. Okay, so here we have only one salary and it should be the highest salary if we don't have any data. So if I do my this query and execute, we got as empty. Okay, you understand this, it got empty, but what we need here as null. So how we can do this, we can say if this is null. Okay, so if null, and I need to select it also, if this is null, that is if this is null, I need to return null. Okay, and now I need to put this as here. Okay, now let me run this query. Okay, so here we are using Microsoft SQL Server. So if null, this is not built-in function in MySQL Server Management Studio. But if we copy this and paste it here in our lead code, we are using MySQL Server here. Okay, so there is a little slight change, so don't worry. So what we need, select if null, select salary from select salary dense rank over order by this as this. From table name is we need to give as uh, employee with here one e more as this as second highest salary. Now let me run this. It gets accepted. Now I need to submit it also. What if they are saying runtime error? So last executed input employee ID rows this. So what is If I do distinct and now run this, and here I need to provide this as it is coming from A. This is good. I think now should get submitted. Let me see. Okay, it gets accepted. So this is the solution for the second highest salary, and it is very important for the interview purpose. So if you like this video, please like and comment, and please subscribe to my channel so that you can get notification. Thank you so much.